So the last of the built-in programs to talk about is the curve fitting. So there's three types of curve fitting in addition to the linear regression that you can do. Those are the power, the exponential, and the logarithmic curve fit. So just as a reminder, a power curve would look something like that. A logarithmic would look something like this, and an exponential would be like that. Something along those lines. So we're going to do a power curve fit on this set of data that I've written out here. And to do that, go to Program, and we are going to load the last one, fit, and then exit the program space. So in order to execute the power fit program, we will first clear our registers, clear our statistics register, so I did shift clear summation, and then I'm going to execute A. If I had executed B, then that would mean that I'm doing the exponential. If I had executed C, that would mean that I'm doing the logarithmic curve fit. And if I want to do a logarithmic on this set of data after I'm done, I have to go back and enter all the data again. So now we're going to enter 40.5, and then we're going to separate that and do 104.5, and then do run stop. So now we've got one item in there, 38.6 and 102, run stop, 37.9 and 100, run stop, 36.2 and 97.5, and 35.1, 95.5, and one last one that I haven't written down here. Let's do 34.5 and 94. All right, so we have those entered in now. If we want to find the slope, then we can execute F. So that gives me 0.66 for the slope. And then if I swap here, you can see the indicator shows me that I have another number there. That gives me the y-intercept. So that is my B value. If I want to find out, say, where, I don't know, where would 37 fit? So we have 38.6, we have 37.9, we have 36.2. Well, let's put in 37 here. 37, and we're going to execute E. So that tells me if I had an X value of 37, according to my curve fit, I'm going to have a Y value of 98.72. And that does fall between these two values, so that makes sense. I can swap here, and that gives me my R value. R value of 1 is pretty good. And then lastly, I can calculate an X value given a Y value. So let's pick 101. Falls right in the middle there. So 101, and then I am going to execute D, and that will tell me approximately what my X value is going to be given that Y value. And it does fall in between those two, so it looks like this curve fit is working. And again, if I do a swap there, I can see what my R value is. Let's see if I can, I can show more digits. So it's 0.9967, but based on the precision I have shown on the screen, it looks like 1. All right, well, that's curve fitting. You can do the same thing. If you start with execute B, you can do a exponential curve fit. And if you start with execute C, then you can do a logarithmic curve fit.